Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to see about parallel positive taper with a negative biasing mode. So in previous lecture, we saw about parallel positive taper circuit with the positive bias mode. There we observe the what is the change of the output according to the operation of the diode when it is functioning of when it is in functioning in the forward bias mode, when it is functioning in the reverse bias mode. The both things we have been clearly observed, right? So in this case also we are going to see whether what is the output waveform when it is in operated in short circuited mode or forward bias mode, or when it is operated in open circuit mode or reverse bias mode. Let's go to the inner presentation. So here you can clearly notice there is a small mistake in the circuit. Don't think. Okay, this is has to be positive terminal should be okay. So this is the circuit, right? So to observe the waveforms, I am taking the waveforms. Okay, this is the 2 volts. I'll try to change the color. What is happening over there, you will understand, right? 2 volts. This is 5 volts. The same thing and output. Okay, during positive cycle, this is positive and this is negative. This is positive, negative. So which is connected in short circuited mode. So hence there will be an output such that it will be with minus 2 volts. Correct, right? So during the it is in short circuited mode, right? In short circuited mode, negative and positive. So this negative voltage is also very small compared to that one. Correct, right? So the entire thing will be goes to the 2 volts. Means only 2 volts will be reflected on the output. So this will be the minus 2 volts. Minus 2 volts. Okay, the minus 2 volts. Whereas it is in reverse bias mode. What is happening? In reverse bias mode, it is in short circuit. This is in this is in open circuit, right? Plus 2 volts, right? So because of we are giving negative voltage, so we need to consider the from the negative end also. So in such a case, when we are in the short circuited mode, this will be the minus 2 volts that will be reflected on the output side. Whereas in the negative half cycle, this will be in the open circuited mode. Okay, this will be the open circuited mode. But because of having this minus 2 volts also on the negative half cycle, it means this, right? So this will be more. So this will be less. So this part of the portion will be removed and only this part of the portion will be as output. So this part will be reflected on the output. So in this way, this output waveform is going to become as the output when the sinusoidal wave is given as an input to the parallel positive clipper with a negative bias mode. Let's observe in the multisim software, you will better understand. Let's go to multisim in such a way that this output has been taken from the two terminals. When it is in short circuited mode, it is offers a zero resistance, but the output should the negative between zero, but the because of connected in the negative biasing, so this will be reflected on the negative side. So the minus 2 volts will be the output in the positive half cycle, whereas in the negative half cycle the minus 2 volts also present in between there also. So the minus 2 volts above that portion has been removed, the below portion will be removed, will get the, it means that my input voltage should be less than that of the output voltage. In such a case my in the negative portion minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 2 is greater, so input will be less than. In such a case the part of portion which is below that one, it means minus 2 less than that one will be removed, above that one will be in the reflected as the output. So in this case, in such a way the positive parallel clipper circuit with negative biasing going to be work when it is connected in the negative biasing mode. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. Thank you for watching.